but I'll be on it always, always and ever.
Good morning, good morning. It's not morning, it's 5 in the afternoon. My boyfriend's cousin is over right now. We literally haven't done anything today, that's why I haven't really recorded. I also need to upload the past 2 days vlogs. Working on it. We're now making the bed. They're about to leave and go see their uncle. And I'm gonna be here myself. So I just took the laundry out. I just have to fold it and put it up now. I'm watching reruns of Gilmore Girls. I almost saw Bella Biscuits today, but I didn't see her. My boyfriend said he did see her. It's fine. Anyways, I'm tired and I'm gonna go to sleep. He made us some wings. This is over there. Mine's right here. I have well, technically this is his. I have a water, but I just wanted to sip. Just cleaned the kitchen. It's still kind of drying. Actually, no, it's dry. But yeah, I just mopped and soaked the kitchen. He did the dishes. I dried them. I vacuumed. What else did I do, Kimi?
Everything.
I think that's all we did today. I'm gonna mop again because that water was dirty. So I just got done mopping. I decided to give me a little nap. And I have an Arizona watermelon tea. And it's surprisingly not bad. Like, for someone who doesn't like tea, I don't like sweet tea. I don't like unsweetened tea. But for someone who doesn't like tea, like, it's good. Anyways, we saw Bella Biscuits today, so I'm gonna put that in the video right now. Please don't wait. I'm so sad that you belong to somebody. You would have had the best life with me, Keontae. Anyways, I'm gonna read my Bible. And maybe turn on some Grey's Anatomy after that. But I did put some stuff in the laundry, so I do gotta take that out in a little bit. I just finished reading my Bible. I read 3 chapters today in Job. I switched out laundry. Yeah, now we get to, I'll probably watch Grey's Anatomy because I want to. I'm on season 13 of Grey's Anatomy. I might light a candle or something because I know this room do be stank a little bit. Also, ever since I found out that Bella has a home, I've been looking at cats because I want a cat so bad.
Bitch, your game, pop your shit, say something pretty, stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitch, they got the like none. Petty, I don't think I got the type one. Make one, take it, I got the right one. These fat bitch, you like is my son.